Use the Political Donor module to create lists of people who have likely contributed to political campaigns and action committees. It's found under the Build a List box and in the left-hand menu of our services. Once you've entered the module, select the geographic parameters for your search. Jump directly to the level of targeting that you need. For example, if targeting by city, ignore the sections above and open the city section to input your state. Cities in that state will populate below. Then, highlight your preferred cities and bring them over to the right-hand box. If targeting by individual states, open the state section and check the boxes next to each one. If you are looking nationwide, there is no need to select any geographic targeting. Next, select your campaign type. Every campaign type will include the names and postal addresses, but you can also include a phone number with each record or an email address. You also have the option to add the other contact point where it's available. Now's a good time to save your progress. To return to the saved list, click the Saved Counts link up here. Click the Continue button to proceed. If you've selected a mailing list plus phone, this bar is where you will choose what type of phone number you want with each record in your list. A cell phone number, a landline, or whichever is available. Check the DNC scrub box to exclude numbers on the Do Not Call list. Select the Inferred Party Affiliation here, and move contribution ranges which align with your fundraising goal to the right-hand box. Toggling the propensity to respond options could help you reach the most responsive political audience, while the Active Donor select will focus on the most recent contributors. Other filters like age, gender, presence of children, and ethnicity can help you target the ideal audience for your campaign. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed, and run the count. The results of your search are up here, and the price of your list is down here. A summary of your search is in this box, but you can change any of your criteria by clicking the previous tab. You can specify the quantities of records you would like to purchase here in the Order Quantity box. The prices shown here are what your order would cost if you join the $1,000 or $2,000 pricing plan. To join a plan and reduce your cost, follow the instructions here. If you don't have enough credits on your balance, click the Buy Credits button here to pull up the payment form. Once you have sufficient balance, click the Purchase and Download button to receive your list. Your list will be available for download on the My Activity page. If you opt to verify the email addresses in your new list, this process can take around 30 minutes, but once complete, your list will be available for download on the My Activity page.